Hey guys, let's unbox my Boxycharm. Ipsy. Okay, so let's write that here. Alright, so the first thing that I have is the Real Her Hold On to Your Dream Probiotic Setting Spray. Right here, you get 5 full-sized items here, and I believe it's now $30 if I'm not mistaken. Not $25 anymore, but I will put the pricing in the bottom if you sign up. And the second one here is the Kupari Niacinamide. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Caffeine Eye Brightener Cream. And again, this one is awesome. Especially if you're aging, this is amazing. So, got that one. Got the Cupid's Arrow by Nabla. This one. Obviously, I already opened these. These are gifted by Ipsy, by the way. Look at that. And it's a retractable pen, which is amazing. And then I also got the Instant Crush. I believe these are both lip glosses. I love lip glosses. So this is what they look like. Let's open one. Let's see. Ooh. So that's what they look like. They're very glossy and nice. I like it. And then the last one in here is the Ofra palette, and this is the Signature Palette Luxe from Ofra. Let's see what we got. This is what it looks like. It's great for traveling, guys. Ooh. Champagne wishes come true. So this is what it looks like. You have Truffle, which is this one. It's a matte shade. Divine, the shimmery shade. Rodeo Drive. This is great for highlight your cheeks and highlight on your eyebrow bone. Brown right here, and then Clay. Really pretty, guys. Really pretty. So yeah, so if you guys are interested, go sign up for Boxycharm, and I will put the link in my bio. Thank you, guys.